My name is Kevin Landers, San Francisco Center Manager down here, 590 Howard by the intersection of 2nd, Green Citizen San Francisco Center. We offer free drop-off recycling of electronics waste, so that's anything that runs on electricity at all. Throughout the entire Bay Area and the operations out of our Burlingame hub facility, we can serve Class A buildings, high-rises, office buildings, large industrial areas, you name it. We're really actually uniquely set up to be able to serve densely populated areas like downtown San Francisco. That's a free service as well. Does require a minimum threshold. Any combination of 10 qualified items will qualify a customer for a free pickup. So that's any kind of computer, whether it's a desktop, laptop, or server, and any kind of display greater than 4 inches. So LCDs or the old boxy CRTs that televisions and monitors used to be made out of. We do repair service. Typically that's laptops and desktops, also iPhones and iPads and iTouches. Here, through the partnership with the city, we also can accept alkaline batteries and compact fluorescent bulbs from residences. What makes us specifically unique is that because of the fact that we offer repair services and we have a technical staff, we're able to maximize the amount of material that can be salvaged and redistributed, whether it's an individual component from a machine or a whole machine that just needs to be fixed up a little bit and is not at the end of its lifetime, can be redistributed and divert more material from the recycling stream as well that way.